Family in Masalani village in Garissa County is appealing to well-wishers for school fees for their son. Mohamed Abdi-latiff, who scored 390 marks in the 2018 KCPE exams to emerge top in Ijara sub-county, has secured admission at Nairobi School.
Of Garissa, Masalani sub-county lives 15-year-old Mohamed Abdi-latiff. Despite scoring 390 marks and emerging the best student in Ijara sub-county, Mohamed could miss out on secondary education. Mohamed received an admission letter from Nairobi School, but lack of school fees to enable him make that important transition is threatening to cut short his dreams.
I'm fearing that if I will not get a school because I will not go ahead on my secondary studies because my parents are very poor.
Ijara boarding primary school head teacher describes Mohamed as a humble and hardworking boy. Mohamed is appealing to well-wishers to come to his rescue since his parents cannot afford to pay for the required fee of more than 50,000 shillings.
Kweli mimi sina uwezo yoyote ambaye ya kumpeleka hiyo shule ambaye amepata. Ningependa kupata wale wa sponsors wa well-wishers waone shida yangu.
If I will given a chance to go there at Nairobi School, I will achieve my dreams and become an engineer and help my family and the community at large.
He dreams that one day he will be an engineer.